Okay.
I just can't believe the enthusiasm here this morning.
Oh, good. Showed up for an hour and left, or what?
Yeah,
Left the dog to supervise.
the other guys spent 2 hours.
Oh, good. Okay, well, 2 hours closer. Okay, so Dad's working on doors here, and he's just mentioning that his help is not much help right now, but whatever. He works better sometimes just by himself.
If they don't sleep good, they haven't got much enthusiasm.
Yeah.
And then if they're thinking about holidays, they haven't got much enthusiasm.
Yeah, well, it's coming into the Christmas week here.
So anyway, do what we can.
Okay. So Dad here has got that new piece of steel on the bottom to protect it, and he's got it all tacked in.
Gets body putty here.
And then they're going to clean up the whole door here, resand that, and fix it. And he's got another one over here. I don't know if he's fixed this one. Nope, yeah, it's fixed. So this is the back access door here. That needed to be repaired as well. Cat's supervising here, but we're going to go check on
That
the...
little hammer.
Okay.
He's got things sanded.
Okay, we're going to go check on the sanding here right now. And I spent about 4 or 5 hours cleaning the shop yesterday, and looks like it needs to be swept up again here, but sanded again, and got to hope that this is going to get out of here soon. We're getting some offers on it already, lots of interest on guys wanting to buy this, but we want to make sure that it's all done here first. As you can clearly see, we've done lots of sanding and body putty and whatnot. Dad's kind of at that point where he's jumping from job to job, so he doesn't get too tired on one job. So we'll let him keep welding here, and then I'm just going to clean up the shop, and maybe we'll get a bit of an update from him later on. All right, the dust is up again in the shop here. Dad said Peter only showed up for about 20 minutes, half an hour today, and Dad is working on doors. And as you can see here, he's got brand new steel on the doors here, and Charlie is very upset about that. Okay, get on your couch, you res dog. Oh no, Daisy's the res dog. So here's the other door here. This, the old company's name is on there. That's still got to be scraped off, but Dad's fixed the bottom part here. And so he's been working on that, and he's got another door set up over here. That's the back door here, and that's been all fixed there and a little bit ground out on the bottom. So he was working both ends or both sides before, and so that's done. And there's Dad there.
No sanding today.
No sanding today.
All welding and body filling.
Okay, so that's what...
Bernie's supposed to come, so I don't want any more sand in or dust
Okay.
in here.
So yeah, so that's
All
what...
these doors are fixed now,
Both sides?
all three.
Okay.
And the top is all done, body putty.
Okay.
Sides.
Perfect.
I got this fixed now. I don't know where he found this, but
It doesn't fit?
yeah, but it's not really. Look at this.
Oh, awesome.
Might need some repairs.
Or a brand new one altogether?
No, budget.
Budget, okay.
I'll strip this shit off, fix it.
Okay, so that's what Dad's been doing, and like Dad said, the body man should be here this evening. We'll see about that. But it is, I think it's the 16th of December. It's the end of the day here. Dad's done. It's a slow week at work here, but time you guys see this will be in the new year. But 5 weeks Dad's been on this one now, and he's got a little bit of sanding left to do, but mostly body fill right now, and then sanding off all the body fill, and then they're just going to start putting it together. So, you know, wheels are on. You guys have seen that already. This one's got to be done. I don't know if it's going to get done this weekend or not, but that is that. This door has got to be sanded down as well, unless it's already been sanded down. Well, the other ones are here. There. So, yeah, lots to be done here left. But it's the week before Christmas, guys. I don't think we're going to have too many more video days. So, we'll probably end up catching up with you guys in a couple of videos and then in a new year.